Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of web development. Whether you're thinking about starting a career in tech or just curious about how websites are built, this video is for you. We're breaking it all down, so let's get started. 1. What is web development? So what exactly is web development? Simply put, it's the process of building and maintaining websites. From the layout to the features, everything you interact with online is made possible by web developers. But web development isn't just one thing, it's broken into three main parts. Front-end development, what users see and interact with. Back-end development, the behind-the-scenes code that makes everything work. Full-stack development, a combination of both where you handle everything from start to finish. 2. Types of web developers. Let's take a closer look at each type of developer. Front-end developers focus on making sure the website looks great and is easy to use. They use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of them as the designers and user experience experts of the web. Back-end developers work on the server side, handling databases, APIs, and everything that happens behind the scenes. They work with languages like Python, Node.js, and PHP. Full-stack developers do both. They know how to create and manage both the front and back end of a website or app. These developers are great at building complete functional systems. 3 key skills for web development. Now, let's talk about the skills needed to be a web developer. For front-end developers, you'll need to be familiar with HTML to create the structure of a web page, CSS to style it and make it look good, and JavaScript to make it interactive. You'll also work with frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Backend developers need to know server-side languages like Node.js, Python, or PHP, and how to work with databases like MySQL or MongoDB. They also work with APIs to connect the front end to the back end. If you're a full-stack developer, you'll need to be comfortable with both front-end and back-end skills. You'll also need to understand how to deploy websites to cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud. Tools of the trade. To build websites, web developers use several tools to make the process smoother. Here are a few essentials. Text editors, VS Code, Sublime Text, and WebStorm are popular tools for writing code. Version control. Git and GitHub allow developers to track changes and collaborate with others. Frameworks. React, Angular, and Vue.js for front-end development. Express and Django for back-end. Databases. MySQL and MongoDB for storing data. Cloud platforms. AWS, Google Cloud, and Heroku are used to host and deploy websites. 5. The web development process. So, how does web development actually work? Here's the process broken down. Planning. First, you define the purpose of the website and gather requirements. Design. You create wireframes and mock-ups of how the site will look. Development. This is where the coding happens, both front-end and back-end. Testing. You test to make sure everything works smoothly. Deployment. Once it's all ready, you make the website live. Maintenance. Even after launch, websites need to be updated and fixed regularly. So there you have it. Web development is an exciting and rewarding field that plays a big part in shaping the digital world we live in. If you're interested in learning more, check out our other videos where we dive into specific web development topics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!